Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, we're going to learn about Telegram QR code, especially on how to get QR code and how to scan the QR code on Telegram. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, we can open up our Telegram application. And the first one, I'm going to show you how we can get our own QR code. We can go to the three lines and then we have to choose the settings. And if we want to get our own QR code, we can click on this icon. And this is my Telegram QR code, and we'll be able to share this QR code to our friend. We'll be able to take a screenshot of this QR code as well. Then we can send it to our friend. And the second one, I'm going to show you how we can scan the Telegram QR code. As you can see that there's no option to scan the QR code on Telegram. But don't worry guys, because we can still scan this QR code with the Google application in our phone. We just need to go back and open your Google application on your phone. And after that, we're going to use the Google Lens or Google Picture to scan the QR code. We can click on this icon. This is the Google Lens, and I'm going to use it to scan the Telegram QR code. We just need to tap on this camera icon. Then you can place your camera to the QR code that you want to send. And here I have taken a screenshot of my friend's Telegram QR code. So I'm just going to upload the QR code. So this is the QR code, guys. Then we just need to click on the link of this QR code. Click on the link. Then just wait for a moment. Again, this is the account of the Telegram QR code I have scanned with the Google Lens. Alright guys, and that's how we can get QR code and scan QR code on Telegram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.